Awesome. This is Carlos. I'm not sure if you remember me. We were in conversation this past summer regarding your property in Corona.
I do remember.
Awesome. Just checking in. We're wrapping up the year. I know you were looking for something in Huntington Beach. Just wanted to see if maybe you guys are ready to go or not until next year. Just wanted to check in.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for a house in that neighborhood to become available.
Man, if I would have gotten the area that you wanted back then, I would have found you a house already.
I don't know, because like I said, the houses are not becoming available in there. So
Yeah. All right. Well,
go door to door.
what area? Well, that's what we do. We do a lot of calling and a lot of door knocking. What area are you looking for? Are you looking in?
The Brightwater area of Huntington Beach.
You have a couple of streets in mind?
Well, Fleet. For that area, or the house or the street after that.
Wesley, you said?
Well, Well Fleet, Fleet, Well Fleet.
Got it. All right. Well, I'll get my team working on that, and I'll definitely keep in touch. I hope you and your family have great holidays.
Same here. All right, man.
Thank you. Bye bye.